Hi, I'm Mark from the Home Depot Rental Center. When you need to split logs safely and efficiently, we offer the Barreto hydraulic log splitter. It has 20 tons of splitting force and a rugged, heavy-duty design that'll hold up to the challenges of the job. It can be oriented to split logs either vertically or horizontally and features a two-handed control for operational safety. Now, before you get started, as with the safe operation of any power equipment, be sure you're wearing the proper safety gear. Wear safety glasses, a hard hat, steel-toed boots, ear protection, and gloves while you are operating the splitter. Additionally, do not wear loose-fitting clothing or anything that could become caught in the unit during use. Always read and understand all safety and operational procedures before operating the log splitter. It's important to keep both hands on the controls while operating the unit. Keep clothing, hands, feet, and other body parts away from the moving parts of the machine. Pay special attention to keep your fingers clear. Always operate the splitter outdoors and avoid breathing in exhaust and fumes. Fuel fumes can catch fire or explode. Do not smoke or operate near flames or sparks. And never allow the log splitter to be operated by more than one person. Okay, to begin, position the log splitter on dry level ground and chock the tires. Then turn the fuel valve, choke, and engine switch all to the on position. Now pull the starter rope. Once the engine warms, turn off the choke. When you're ready to begin splitting, move the throttle to the full position. Now to load a log, position your hands on the side of the log. Never place your hands on the ends of the log. Always split wood in the direction of the grain. Place the log onto the rail with the log holders in the upright position. This leaves both your hands free to operate the controls. Always use two hands when operating the controls. Failure to do so can result in serious injury, especially to fingers. The Barreto log splitter has a standard safety lockout feature. To split the wood, push down on either lockout lever with one hand, then with your other hand, move the valve control lever toward the log. After splitting, move the lever away from the log. The valve detent will hold it in a retracting operation and will automatically release when the cylinder is fully retracted. If the wood sticks to the wedge while retracting, do not attempt to remove it by hand while it's moving. Instead, push the wedge cleaner to the down position to clear wood from the wedge as it returns. Make sure to keep your fingers clear of the wedge cleaner. The log holders have two positions. The upright position provides the most support, designed to use when the rail is horizontal. The lower position is recommended when the rail is vertical. This position is ideal for splitting larger diameter logs or logs that are too heavy to lift. To use the log splitter in the vertical position, make sure it's disconnected from your towing vehicle. Move the log holders to the lower position. Then pull out the horizontal position latch pin and rotate the pin handle behind the stop. Rotate the rail upright using the handle provided, and make sure that the vertical latch pin locks the rail into place. When you switch from horizontal to vertical, the end of the rail will hit the ground and the machine will move a few inches before the rail locks into place. For towing, reverse these steps to return to the horizontal position. When you're done splitting, turn off the engine and close the fuel valve. Allow the unit to completely cool before cleaning or transporting the machine. The muffler and engine get hot enough to cause serious burns. Once the unit has completely cooled, scrape off excessive mud or dirt. Rinse loose debris with water. Avoid spraying water into or onto the engine muffler, carburetor, and air cleaner areas. Refer to the product manual and talk with your rental associate for more information on safely towing the log splitter. Visit your local Home Depot or homedepot.com/rental to learn more about the best tools for your next project.